Good evening, everyone. Today is January 22. The time here is 7:16 in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. We are almost ending January 2026. We're about to enter into February, which is Valentine's is fast approaching. Now, if you recall, on February last year and this month, which is January 12, 1926, the price of gold was 4,597 per ounce. This is this month, January 12. Previous year, I warned everyone that there would be a tendency that the price of gold will rise up. But no one believed Wilhelmina. So I keep informing you guys in order for you to be aware, because gold is the world asset you are securing, and your business would not function if there is no supply for your business. Now, this gold is good for the buyer that really have a capital, and the refinery badly needed the gold. And you, as a gold trader, you buy and sell. You sell it to your own customer with 1.5% discount, and you buy from us. In Africa is the main source of supply on precious mineral. Now, recently, I had a live video conference with a guy from Swiss, and he was been searching for gold. He knows Africa, and three of them were chatting with me, the two brokers, and then the broker create a group chat, and this guy from Swiss pop up into my screen. So I was listening to them, and this buyer from Switzerland, he said, "Well, Amina, I know you." I said, "Really?" "I know you for 6 years." Mm-hmm. Someone is sending me a message on my other phone. And he said, "I know you, Wilhelmina." And I told him, "You know me for 6 years, and now why you come to Wilhelmina on 2026? And he said, "I'm looking to buy gold to bring it to Dubai." I was listening to this guy, and if I mention his name, he's gonna be embarrassed. So I was listening for 15 minutes, and he said that he knows Conakry, he knows Mali, he knows Sierra Leone. I said, "Okay. Have you secured gold?" And he said, "It's very difficult to secure gold in Africa." And I told him, "Why very difficult?" "It could be very difficult if you don't have financial capacity to pay, because gold is not for credit. Gold is cash." So after our conversation, I noticed that this Swiss guy is not a buyer. He's not a buyer. He is a broker to the refinery. He think that he can get the gold in West Africa to bring it to Dubai to leverage and sell it to his own customer of 1.5% discount no matter what, and then he make money. And I give him the blunt answer: "You are really a sophisticated, devious joker broker." I told him that very bluntly. And he said that he wanted to get the gold in Conakry, and he would not pay nothing, single cents. He wanted to bring the gold to Dubai. And I told him, "You are crook then. You are going to launder the gold, and no one would trust you. That is the reason why you have a difficulty on getting this precious mineral, and then you search through Joker Broker, and this Joker Broker create a group chat, and I'm sorry, you are rejected. And he said that he wanted to bring gold to help the seller to make money. And I told him, you're not helping the seller to make money. You're helping yourself to make money. Why you cannot afford to pay? Why you ask the seller to bring it to Dubai? And then when the gold arrive in Dubai, you never know, you might run away. It's very clear and simple. I told him, gold is money. Why we gonna give you the money to a stranger? Reject. Mm-hmm. Reject, reject, reject. To all Joker Broker, I know you know me. You know me because you've been searching for supply. I'm the only person that you can find on YouTube channel and also on Facebook. No such Joker Broker explained to you like this. And you would not find the seller because the seller would not entertain you. The seller hired Wilhelmina to handle sales and marketing. I am the gateway. I am the gateway for you guys to get the gold in a proper way. So I don't know if you be paying attention. I don't know if you read the full corporate offer on every video. I don't know if you really comprehend. I don't know if you went to school. Because if you went to school, you will comprehend. No such seller will give you a very extensive procedure called full corporate offer. We are offering to the world that the gold is available in Mali, gold available in Sierra Leone, gold available in Conakry, Guinea. Now, I visited my YouTube channel 1 hour ago because I check how many visitors. The visitor wouldn't leave a message. That is fine. So one guy he sent a message that $135,000, madam, is it include taxes and the shipping cost? And I asked him come on conference because I want to interview you. And most of you guys are scared. Why you don't want to leave your full details? Why? Why are you using other people's picture? So therefore, you are not a buyer. So you are just collecting information. That is fine. You collect information through my platform. You learn because no seller will explain to you what I'm explaining right now. Now, my dear international buyer, subscribe on this YouTube channel of Wilhelmina and give a thumb or click below, give a comment if you comprehend or not. If you don't comprehend, don't worry about the comment because I have the monitor and I know who is visiting. Now, 2026, Wilhelmina would not entertain you guys if you don't know how to introduce yourself. Now, you bump into this video, you read, you subscribe. Every time I upload the video, I only upload to give the update of the gold. Now today, the gold today is 154,991.24 per kilo. Okay? Per kilo. Per ounce is 4,820.77. Almost 5,000 per ounce. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you don't have a capital, don't bother to buy this precious mineral. If you don't have a capital, keep your money into your bank account because you would not get the gold if you don't have a capital. This is $1,000,000 worth of transaction. You need to have a capital. You don't need to ask, bring it to China, bring it to Hong Kong, bring it to Germany, bring it to Switzerland, bring it to Australia, bring it to Dubai, bring it to Oman, bring it to whatever. It wouldn't work because the gold cannot leave the country of origin without full export documentation in your name that you have paid the gold. You are buying money to make money, so therefore you need to lay out a capital in order for you to make money. If you don't have a capital, you wouldn't get money. And don't be a fool, someone offering you cheap price, because that is the time that you are going to be trapped. Now, there was a gentleman from UK, and he has a sophisticated website, and he come for conference with me, and he said, well, Amina, I'm on LinkedIn. I told him, so what if you're on LinkedIn? I was on LinkedIn. I get out on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is to connect people. I told this guy. And I told him, if you're on LinkedIn, how did you get my YouTube channel? And he said, I I searched on YouTube and I bump into your video. I said, wow, congratulations. Because LinkedIn is to connect people. I don't deal with LinkedIn people because most of the people on LinkedIn are joker broker. They are abusing the the system. LinkedIn is really good. Don't make me wrong. I used to be on LinkedIn, but I'm sick and tired dealing with people that they are abusing the system. I rather create direct to this buyer. I create my own platform on Facebook. I create my own platform on YouTube. It's better direct to the point rather than member of LinkedIn. I get out because some brokers they attack me. Well, that is their prerogative. The more you attack Wilhelmina, the more Wilhelmina would be well known to the world. Everybody knows me, believe me, but I don't know them. So going back to this Swiss buyer, and he's really very boastful. I've given them 30 minutes of my waste time. They're wasting my time. I was listening to their narrative. Their narrative has no value. What a waste of time. So I told this Swiss guy, I'm sorry, I wouldn't be able to help you, and good luck. You travel to Segiri and bring money. If you don't have the money, well, you are just wasting the time. He registered his company in Conakry. What is a piece of paper that is only cost 7,000? I told him you registered your company, but your office has no supply. That's only a piece of paper. The most important is the supply. There's a saying in economics, supply and demand determine the price. So he has no supply, so therefore he has no money to pay the supply because the owner of the gold will not give the supply unless we exchange the money. How are you going to exchange the money? Number one, you watch this video, click below and read the full corporate offer. Digest it properly. And then when you understand and when you comprehend, therefore you come for conference with Wilhelmina. You're gonna say, Wilhelmina, I watched your video on YouTube. I went to your Facebook. I am the real buyer. Okay? You are a real buyer. I need you to introduce yourself. I need to see your business registration. I need to see your importation license. I need to see your passport copy. I need to see your proof of fund. And I need to see your certificate of money laundering. After you watch this video, after you read the full corporate offer, when you come for conference with Wilhelmina, that is my question. So you need to send it to Wilhelmina for me to review it. Then we can proceed, then we can talk further, and then I will gather your vital information. After you send me your credential, I need to know your email address, your office address, so that we can prepare the confirmation so that we can send you the contract. And you need to emphasize how many quantity you need on the first trial second trial, third and fourth shipment. Then we will put that on the contract so that we can allocate you every month because gold is selling very fast. Now you're gonna see why Wilhelmina is on YouTube. You are lucky. Knowledge is more powerful. Knowledge is worth $1 million. I've given you worth $1 million of knowledge, but if you don't comprehend, what a waste of time. Maybe you didn't go to school. I'm sorry guys if I hurt your ego. I'm very blunt and I'm very strict. Why? There's a saying, it's better to be cruel to be loved, because if you travel to Africa and you make a mistake, then you are going to encounter disaster. There's a lot of buyer that they think that they are superior. You are not superior. The owner of the gold is more superior because they are in control. Now there was a father and son went to Conakry, and he is the he's really a little bit of devious. 2024, I've given this father and son, I negotiated the price of $60,000 per kilo. And when the father and son traveled to Conakry, the seller changed the price. And I told the son before we travel, and I told him, the price will change and you need to act faster. So there was an issue. And this father and son, he went to central bank and asked information. That is fine because the central bank will only hold the gold from the owner of the gold. And the owner of the gold will not bring to the central bank until you pay 40% down payment. The seller would not bring the gold to central bank unless all the communication and agreement would be fulfilled. That father and son disaster. And he go behind my back and he become traitor to us. Yes. So if I mention the name of this buyer, I'm telling you, he's going to embarrass. And remember, when I travel with you guys, I do charge my extra service. My extra service non-refundable. Whether you success or not, that is the reason why when you travel, make sure that you are not going to go behind my back because your $20,000 is non-refundable to cover my trip, to cover my expenses to be with you. I was being bullied by this buyer, but I sent him a letter from my solicitor on the agreement that it says on my invoice that my extra service is non-refundable. So Mr. Buyer, you must remember, listen to this video so that you will not encounter any problem. Okay? Because during our interview, and I will record our conversation live video call in order for me to get the reference, and you will be given a copy as well. Because if you muck around with Wilhelmina, I have a copy. Okay? So don't be a fool. Don't muck around with Wilhelmina because Wilhelmina is assisting you. You are wasting my time. Time is money. I'm not going to travel with you for free. Gold is not for free. It's not. You're lucky to watch this video because I've given you knowledge that is free. But when I travel to Africa, it's no longer for free. There is a cost. You're buying expensive item, you must remember, and you are paying my expensive services. Now, remember a few years back and last year I said on 2026, I'm going to increase my extra service to $25,000 to travel with you. Right. And I'm sure you wouldn't be happy. You don't have a capital then. A real buyer would not complain because he needs the supply. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. You're buying expensive item. You are using Wilhelmina to facilitate. I am the gatekeeper. You will never get the real seller unless you are really, really serious. And you need to be honest. You need to have a capital. I will repeat again. After you listen to this video, click below, subscribe, and click below, give me a thumb if you like. If you don't like to give me a thumb, meaning to say you didn't comprehend. Now, I will repeat again. After you read and listen to this video, show me your credential. You come for conference. Let us talk and I will interview you. I want you to open your camera. Okay? And our conversation is automatically recorded. You don't need to be scared. You don't need to hide yourself. Why are you going to be scared? Meaning to say you are a criminal. Why are you gonna be scared? Meaning to say you are a launderer. Well, Amina is not scared to show her face. I am teaching you so that you will not encounter any disaster when you travel to Africa, because African seller can reject you. It happened. It's happening. You come to the office and you keep on bargain, 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 bargain. The seller said the door is open. So your travel waste of time. That is the reason why when you travel, you will receive the seller's company profile and the advance invoice so that when we travel, you are well prepared with your payment. This is not CIF, Cost Insurance and Freight. This is FOB. Now, there was a buyer asking 1 hour ago, is this tax included? My dear, everything is taxable. However, you just come for conference. I will assist you. There would be a further discussion, and I will discuss this with you if you're really serious buyer. Yeah? Our selling price less 5%. When I travel with you, I will give you 8%. And when you receive 8%, you sell it to your country of origin 1.5, you still you have 6.5% profit. But if you're dealing with chain of joker broker, you have to pay your joker broker, and the joker broker come to Alamina asking commission, asking me to sign NC in the what a waste of time. I prepare to deal directly to the buyer. My question when you come for conference, how did you get my number? Oh, Wilhelmina, I found you on YouTube. Which date? Because every video there is a date. And I'm going to ask you, did you read and did you listen the video properly? And what did you learn out of that? This is my question when you come for conference. And then if you didn't answer my question, immediately I can determine that you are a time waster. Don't ask me, well, Amina, bring the gold to India. We will pay up their final ASI. Give me the sample. Gold is not a sample. Money is not a sample. Gold is money. Does that make sense now, Mr. Buyer? Now, again, the price of gold today, you're going to ask, well, Amina, what is the price today? The price today is 4,822.6 per ounce. In dollars term is 155,050.07 per kilo. This is refined. You're not buying refined. You are buying unrefined. Okay, I'm going to give you the price on unrefined. Just a moment so that you're gonna understand. Okay, gold is not for free, my dear. Okay, on unrefined, which is 22 carats, and the purity is 96, 97. On 22 carats, our selling price less 5% or 8%. In dollars terms is 142,002. To us today, you have not confirmed. So when you confirm, Wilhelmina will adjust the price. Wilhelmina will renegotiate the price for you. You're paying my extra service here. My services is not for free. You're lucky that you get this video. I've given you knowledge. Put that into your head. Apply that to yourself. Whether you qualify or not. If you don't qualify, at least you watch this video. Now, there's a lot of joker broker. They think that you can make money. You can make money if you know the buyer. And the buyer are very smart this time. Believe me. He is going to use you. And then you come to Alamina, and then you're scared who is your buyer. And if I'm gonna ask you create a group chat, and I want to interview the buyer, and you need to make sure that you understand your role, because we are not paying double commission here. Instead, we give the buyer a good price because the buyer will make profit, not you. Now you are roaming around searching for information. You found this video, you get the information, but if you're gonna say, well, Amina, I have plenty of buyer. How much is my commission? You don't know your buyer. You're just dreaming. We are now on digital. We are now on information. Buyers are clever. He would not believe you guys. Especially if the buyer knows how to search. The buyer has his own phone, internet connection, Wi-Fi, and WhatsApp. He can search gold on YouTube, my video pop up, and then you, as the joker broker, I'm sorry if I call you joker broker, because I done it purposely. There's a saying, it's better to be cruel to be loved, because this is not for you if you don't comprehend, really. The seller hired Wilhelmina. I didn't apply for a job. The seller needs my services. I used to be on real estate. I was the one who introduced this. I was the one who give all my knowledge. I was the one who educate you guys. I was the one was telling the seller, don't believe on buyer if the buyer cannot show the proof of fund. That is the real business. When you apply for a job, remember, you need to have a resume, right? Buying gold, exactly the same. You need to have a resume. Your resume, show me your business registration. That is your resume. Show me your importation license. That is your resume. Proof of fund and passport copy and the certificate of money laundering. That is the resume. And when I receive your resume, then I will say, okay, you are a real buyer. All right. What is your address? What is your telephone number and your email during the discussion? Because I'm going to send this to my head office that I'm going to determine which seller I'm going to take you, either in Mali or Sierra Leone or Conakry, Guinea. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you after my validation towards you. Then when you meet the criteria, when you pass my validation, I will tell you which seller I'm going to take you during our conversation. Does that make sense now? Mr. Buyer, the price of gold today is getting higher and higher. Secure now because the price of gold will hit 5,000 per ounce. Now on 5,000 per ounce in dollars term, this could be in dollars term. Now we are now on January 22. The price of gold is already 4,820.77 per ounce. Not belong. In any days, the price of gold will hit 5,000 per ounce. And this could be the price. So, Mr. Buyer, what are you waiting for? Why are you scared to talk to Wilhelmina? Why are you roaming around talking to different offer? And then the offer come to me, Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina, I had the buyer. Which buyer? Tell your buyer to create a group chat. I want to interview your buyer. Just like this Swiss guy and also this guy from United Kingdom. He created this website, sophisticated website. When I look at it, that website is rubbish. I prepare to interview the buyer direct to the point. And this buyer says, oh, I have a buyer in Oman. We want to tell your seller, Wilhelmina, to bring 10 kilos on Oman. And then we will pay after the final assay. My gosh, That 10 kilos is already more than $1 million. And the gold, when the gold is on the hand of the buyer can make stories. And who will be the loser? The owner of the gold. Before the gold arrive in Oman, you have to pay 40% down payment. Then we can ship it to Oman together with the representative of my seller, and we make sure that you are not going to swindle my seller, and make sure that you are not going to murder my seller, because my seller already lost his life. One of his son lost his life because the eldest son, he trust this buyer of 450 kilos previous year 2018. My seller's eldest son lost his life because of too much trust. I told my seller, don't believe on buyer unless the buyer can show his $1 million in his bank account. If you don't have $1 million, get out on this business. If you're going to leverage and there you are offering Black Fund, CIF, forget about it. You don't have a cash. Why you gonna block the fund? Show me your proof of fund that you have $1 million. If you don't have $1 million, get out on this business. Your business would not function if you don't have a capital. And then you're gonna say, "Oh, I don't trust Africa." Yes, because you are one of the swindler, and you were being cheated. Yes, and then you lose money. Yes, I know you guys. So don't bluff me because I'm not buying your bluff. You come for conference, open your camera. Let's talk proper business. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. And now we're entering February. We're almost, okay, in a week's time. We are now on January 22, right? In a week's time, could be February. A happy Valentine's in advance, my dear. Wilhelmina is always here. By the way, I would be away and I would be in overseas for a month. I can still be rich if you are really, really a buyer. My office is portable. I'm based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. I don't have gold here. I don't. Gold is in Mali. Gold is in Sierra Leone. Gold is in Conakry. You need to travel with Wilhelmina to get your order. I will guide you. I will assist you. I will take you to the office. But there is no gold here. This is my virtual office. My job is to interview you. My job is to know whether you're a buyer or not. And then when you meet the criteria, then that is the time you will receive the confirmation of your order. You will receive a contract. You review the contract. Then you return the contract, sign it, then we will proceed. Then that is the time I'm going to send you my invoice for me to assist you. If you don't want to pay my $20,000 because middle of this year, I'm going to charge you $25,000. So you're gonna say, well, Amina, too expensive. You're buying expensive item. That is normal. There is no free in this world, my dear. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening and listen to this video. Take time. Don't rush. If you don't want to talk to Wilhelmina, at least you know the criteria. At least you know you travel to any part of Africa. Go for it. Yeah, go for it. So that you will experience that you're gonna encounter disaster. Yeah, go for it. All right. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening and good morning to you.